Are you a coach looking to make a powerful impact and attract more clients? In today's competitive market, mastering marketing is essential for your success. But where do you start? The first step is identifying your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Think about their needs and challenges and how you can help them. Once you know your audience, it's time to develop a strong brand. Your brand should convey your values, expertise, and uniqueness. Next, it's crucial to create a compelling online presence. Your website should be user-friendly, visually appealing, and clearly communicate the value you bring. Social media is another powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. Share valuable content, engage with your audience, and build relationships. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Attend events, join professional associations, and connect with other coaches. Lastly, never forget the importance of testimonials and referrals. Happy clients are your best marketing tool. Marketing for coaches is an ongoing process. Stay up to date with the latest trends and continuously refine your strategies. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more valuable content.